Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to show you where can you easily enable phone noise cancellation. At first we have to open our settings app. Now we have to click on Bluetooth. Now we have to click on this info button over there. Now we have to scroll all the way down to accessibility. Now we have to click on iPhone audio and visual settings. Now we have to scroll down until we see phone noise cancellation. Noise cancellation reduces ambient noise on phone calls when you are holding the receiver to your ear. You can either disable this option by clicking on this switch or enable it. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.